Hello friends, I want to discuss about the master production schedule and its role in digital supply chain. As we know, digital supply chain is a complete end-to-end process. It's linking up customers to supplier. And planning is the heart of the whole system actually. And this planning is really getting more and more complex because it depends upon many parameters, like what normally we talk about resources required in a business. Basically, it's a market, material, machines, manpower, money. So these are the various resources there. And this planning is a crucial thing. And in that, everything depends upon your production plan. And master production is a key thing which integrates demand planning and supply planning along with the machines and plant and capacities and all that actually. So here I'm trying to give you a brief overview or idea how this master production works with an integration into the supply chain. If you really look at it on the right hand side on the top, it mainly starts with the demand planning and forecasting about the market, about your products, services, whatever is there. And that is the basis over there on which we start with the market requirement planning and all that, actually, or the demand planning, which gets integrated. The second comes up over here is your capacity planning, because you have a manufacturing plant and it has got a certain capacity to produce it. In case if you find the capacity is not sufficient to support to the market requirement, then you look out for the options is that you outsource or you find out the partners who will manufacture the products depending upon your product specifications and the supply schedules which are expected and all that actually. On that basis, once the production schedule or a master production plan which gets finalized, then you decide what materials are required to support to that production plan, considering the inventories are available and all. At the same time, you have to also really take into consideration which are the products, which are the batches are at the manufacturing process stages or a planning stages. They may be in your own location or they may be getting some products manufactured from some other locations and coming to you, and then you are further doing the packaging or maybe the product completion and then packaging and doing it and all that. This comes over here, and from there you go into sales and operation plan, which works it out the products, batches, and allocation of the materials to the various batches. Or if you're getting those products manufactured from some other location, then you send it over there also. So that inventory transfers to those locations and all. And this also gets integrated with your inventory management, where you have that inventory, something which is quality passed and which is ready to use into production. There may be some materials which are received into the stores, but which are under testing. There may be some materials which are under transit from supplier to you. There may be some materials which you have already placed on order. And then you have to also take into consideration that some materials are to be ordered depending upon your sales and operation production plan. Like when you want to take those products or batches, maybe in a month or maybe next month, or depending upon that, and considering all those lead times and all, you have to really start procurement process or something like that. So these are the various things which needs to be considered. Why I'm coming back to the digitization, because digitization is today really helping to capture all the data in a real-time basis. With an emerging technologies of cloud, all that data can really get it into the cloud and can be shared across all the stakeholders, all the departments, all the decision makers, and they can really take the necessary quick action. The alerts can prompt you to do that, and then that expedites the decision making, that expedites the movement of the material, and that reduces either a lead time from the procurement or lead time during the procedures of production, or even the lead time in planning and distributions also. So that's how this master production schedule or master production plan or integrated business planning, these are the different terminologies or technologies which are used over here, but that can play a very important role in expediting your digital supply chain. Hope in a few minutes, I think I tried to give you an overview about this. And if you need for further more inputs or information or how it can be implemented or how it can be strategized to expedite the implementation of digital supply chain, feel free to contact us. Okay, my contact details are there. Do subscribe it and maybe share with your network also. Thank you. Bye.